Good morning, good evening, everybody, wherever you are now in the globe. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the channel you need to learn all the professional workflows. Today, we are learning how to color correct this image in easy 3 steps to be from this to turn into this. Again, this, from this to this. Now, let's roll the intro. Welcome back, guys. This tutorial is divided into 2 parts. The first part is to show you directly how I made these 3 easy steps, and the second part will be to expand a little bit and for why I did those steps. Okay, let's start the after file, the after group, and let's add a new adjustment layer, solid color. Let's choose 50% gray. For the brightness here we can add 50. Press OK or enter. Change the blending mode to difference. Add a new adjustment layer, threshold. Okay, let's drag the slide level from right to left. Now let's increase the threshold level slowly again when we have this black color. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, let's press I for eyedropper tool, hold shift and click one of the black spots. Okay, now we don't need those 2 layers anymore. Let's hide them. Let's add another curve adjustment layer for this 3 icons. This one is for shadows, this one is for highlights, and this one for mid-tone. Let's choose the gray area, mid-tones, and click yes. Okay, let's see before and after. Yes, this is what we have done. Now I showed you the 3 simple steps. Okay, now you can leave if you are here for the easy steps. Now we are going to expand a little bit on why I did this. Okay, let's delete those layer again. Let's add a solid color adjustment layer and let's make it 50% gray again. Okay, now the secret here is for the blending mode, the difference blending mode. How is that working? The difference blending mode is working like that. It is taking one layer and subtracting it from the layer beneath, and the result, if it's 0, it will be black. So let's give an example. Now we have this red circle. Okay, let's add another red circle. Okay, here with a normal blending mode it will look like this. Let's change the blending mode to difference. Now we are subtracting this one from this one, and this is how it will goes. If this layer have a value of if this circle has a value of 1 and the other red circle has a value of 1, when subtracting them and give the difference between them, it will be 0, and 0 in the graphics is black, straight black color. Now okay, now let's get back to the original file. Now it is gray color. Now we are searching here for the gray color to match the mid-tone of the layer. Okay, so now we have a black color, direct black color or straight black color in the image, but it's not that clear. We can't catch it by eyes. So now what we do, we add the new adjustment layer, which is threshold, which divide the image into 2 parts, blacks and white, to a certain threshold. Okay, now this is the threshold from the left, the threshold of the white, of the black, of the mid-tone, sorry. Okay, now anything in this black area, straight black area, is mid-tone, is 50% gray. Okay, the third step is to add curves adjustment layer and choose the mid-tone eyedropper tool, and let's click in any of the black areas. hit I for the eyedropper tool, hold shift to maintain the eyedropper tool, click, it is preserved right here, and let's click. Let's unhide those layer again and let's click. Yes, we got the same result. It is looking cool. Now let's expand on this a bit. Let's see each of the channels. Reds, it increased the reds. The green, it's increased the green to reduce the magenta color of the image. Blues, it decreased the blues to increase the yellows. Now those are, guys, the 3 easy steps to color correct an image. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please consider like, commenting and sharing and subscribing to my channel. I am producing a lot more content every week. Thank you guys for your time and have a good night.